Weather and climate. Weather and climate are the two atmospheric phenomena that are used to describe the conditions of the atmosphere. Let us understand the differences between the two. 1. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere over a short period of time, while climate describes the average weather conditions over a long period of time. 2. Weather of a place may change many times in a day, while climate changes after a very long period of time. 3. Weather affects the daily life of people, while climate affects the food habits, housing, transportation, and occupation of people. Factors influencing climate. There are many factors that affect the climate of a place. These are 1. Latitude. 2. Altitude. 3. Distance from the sea. 4. Direction of the wind. 5. Humidity and rainfall. 1. Latitude. Latitude, or the distance from the equator, affects the climate of a place. Low latitudes or places located at or near the equator experience more heat because they get direct sunlight as compared to the high latitude places or the places located far from the equator. 2. Altitude. Altitude, or the height above the sea level, affects the climate because as we go higher, the air receives lesser heat from the ground and becomes cooler. This decreases the temperature of the place. Thus, the climate becomes cooler with the increase in altitude. 3. Distance from the sea. The distance from sea is another factor that affects the climate. The places near the sea have moderate climate because of the cool sea breeze that blows from the sea to the land. The places that are far away from sea do not experience sea breeze. Hence, they are cold in winter and hot in summer. 4. Direction of the wind. Climate also depends on where winds are blowing from. Wind that blows from the sea to the land is known as the sea breeze. These winds carry moisture and bring rains to the coastal areas. The wind that blows from the land to the sea is known as the land breeze. The land breeze from the warm area is warm and dry, and that from the cold area is cold and dry. 5. Humidity and rainfall. Humidity and rainfall also affects the climate of a place. Humidity causes rainfall in an area. The coastal areas or the places that are closer to the sea are more humid than the places that are far away. Therefore, the coastal areas receive more rainfall. In cold places, humidity causes snowfall instead of rainfall.